Hey guys, Brendan from AutoGuru. We're here with Nick from Ashmore RWC to find out what makes him one of the top shops here on the Gold Coast. Thanks for having us, Nick.
Thanks for coming out, Brendan.
Now, and what does make you one of the top shops here on the Gold Coast?
I think it's just being open and honest with people and just having complete transparency.
Yeah, 100% transparency is key, and we're all about that at AutoGuru. I noticed you've got a great sized workshop, a few hoists and a couple guys working for you. Can you tell us more about that?
Yep, so there's 3 mechanics including myself. We've got over 35 years of experience between us.
Yeah, great.
And all from a range of different backgrounds.
Notice you've got a few Penrite oil drums back there, a couple of NGK signs around, nothing but quality parts.
Yeah, that's correct. So Penrite are, they've got a listing for everything, so especially when you've got a car under new car warranty. NGK, excellent product. I've never had an issue with it.
Awesome, that's great to hear. So if you want to book a reputable mechanic with great experience, uses nothing but quality parts, get down to Ashmore RWC, one of the Gold Coast top shops, and they'll sort you out. Thanks for having us, Nick. Cheers.